सभी को नमस्कार।
Greetings to all. I welcome the UN Secretary General, His Excellency Mr. Antonio Guterres, and all the dignitaries participating in UN Food System Summit. I thank the Secretary General, Mr. Antonio Guterres, for organizing this summit. The issues we discuss today have been made more relevant by contemporary challenges. The COVID pandemic has affected millions of people around the world, and in some countries, it has had an adverse impact on food security and nutritional status. Building resilient food systems that absorb such impacts by improving food production and access to food are essential to drive a recovery and get us back on track to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. In India, the agriculture sector has remained unaffected even in the difficult circumstances of the COVID pandemic due to the tireless work of farmers, skills of the scientists, and the farmer friendly policies of the government. In India, the farm operations of sowing of crops, their harvesting, and procurement remain unaffected from COVID pandemic, resulting in bumper harvest. India recorded highest ever food grain production of 308 million tons. India, along with meeting the domestic requirements of food grains, is also able to meet the demand of other countries and thus contribute towards ensuring food security in the world. Under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the focus of Government of India is on increasing the productivity, and all-round measures are being taken to make agriculture profitable in every way. Government of India believes that food security can be ensured only by raising the standard of living of the farmers and holistic development of the agriculture sector. For this, many historical schemes and programs are being run under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister of India. Direct income support is being provided to the farmers through the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. So far, 15.80 billion US dollars have been deposited in the bank accounts of 113.7 million farmers. 10,000 new farmer produce organizations are being formed. Through these, millions of farmers will work collectively, due to which they will get many facilities from pre-harvest to selling their produce. While India's public distribution system is largest and unique in the world, our midday meal program is also continuing to tackle malnutrition among school children. United Nations has declared the year 2023 as the International Year of Millets on the initiative of India. In this sequence, two-day NutriGains conference has also been successfully organized. We are committed to sharing the technical expertise to ensuring food security in developing countries by promoting sustainable agriculture, ending poverty and hunger, and improving nutrition. We thank the Secretary General of the United Nations for giving the time to speak at the summit.
जय हिंद।
Thank you. Jai Hind.